Hey there and welcome back to another video. Dustin from the Gravity team here. Want to get more leads? We've put together a list of 5 ways you can do so using Gravity forms. Let's take a look. Quizzes and polls are a great way to engage with your audience while also collecting more leads. With Gravity forms, you can build a quiz that's fun for your audience and captures emails before showing results. It's lead gen that feels like entertainment. Another option is building a newsletter sign-up form. Newsletters are an excellent way of keeping your users in the loop with everything going on with your site, and newsletter sign-up forms are great for lead gen. And if you connect your form with an email marketing service like MailChimp or Brevo, you'll have a streamlined way to collect leads and keep them in the know. Next, let's talk coupons. Everyone loves a deal, and with Gravity forms you can easily promote deals on your site using the coupon add-on. One option worth trying is offering a coupon code if a user fills out a contact form on your site. The coupon add-on is quick to set up, and you'll be able to start offering discounts in no time. Another great way to get more leads is by offering a downloadable ebook. Educational content works wonders. Package your expertise into a downloadable ebook or guide. Visitors provide their email to access it, and you instantly grow your list with qualified leads. Not only do you get the visitor's email address, but you're also positioning your brand as a helpful resource. It's a win-win. And for our final recommendation on this list, it's always a good idea to run a survey on your site. Surveys are great because they give you insights and leads at the same time. Ask about user preferences, then follow up with tailored offers. You could even pair your survey with a coupon and offer a discount if the visitor fills out your form. With surveys, you aren't just collecting data, you're starting a conversation with a potential customer. With these strategies, you'll be able to start growing your leads in no time. Do you have anything we missed? Be sure to let us know in the comments. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Gravity forms and WordPress content. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.